In this tutorial, I will show you how to sew a llama page for an alphabet quiet book. The third llama has a detachable head and belly with velcro. Around its neck there is an embroidered necklace with small bells which make a sweet sound when moved. With the ready-made patterns, this project is really easy. So let's get started. To make this project we will need stiff felt in 5 colors, scissors, vanishing markers, clips, velcro tape, embroidery floss or fabric markers, and small bells. I've prepared patterns titled Llama Page Part 1, 2 and 3. The download link is the video description and the first comment, so please cut them out. Place each pattern on felt color specified on it and trace the shape with vanishing marker, then cut it out along the drawn line. Cut out the inner shape of this pattern as well. Place it on white elements so that they overlap. Trace the inner shape with vanishing marker, then cut it out. Place the first 2 elements on top of each other like this. Fasten it with clips. Then place on the base page 32 mm from the right edge and 12 mm from the bottom edge, and sew only this element with white thread. Place the heart on top and sew it from here to this point twice with pink thread. On this element, draw symbolic fur and a necklace. I will embroider it using embroidery floss. Place this pattern on Velcro tape and cut out its shape. We will need 2 pairs of Velcro with a loop and hoop side. Take these 2 elements, place Velcro with a loop side in the center and sew it along the edge. Take the smaller one, turn it over, place this element on top and sew it along the edge. The upper and lower threads are white. In the next step, cut off excess thread along the edge. At the end of this stage, I will sew small 6 mm bells by hand along the necklace using white thread. Ready element, place here and draw the place where Velcro touches the base page. Then place Velcro with a hoop side here and sew it on. Now prepare these 2 elements, place the cream one under the hole and fasten it with clips. Then sew both elements along the edge with white thread. Turn it over and cut off excess thread along the seam line. Place this pattern on top so their bottom edges overlap, and draw the shape of eyes with vanishing marker. I will embroider it with black embroidery floss. Put the next 3 elements on top and sew each one along the edge. The nose is very small, so I will sew it by hand with brown thread. In the next step, draw a smile, then embroider it with black floss. Take the ear elements, place the pink one on top and sew it along the edge. The bottom thread should be white. Place ears under the head and fasten it with clips. Then place it on the left side of this element and sew along the edge. The upper and lower threads are white. On top, place small flower buttons with a diameter of 10 mm and sew them by hand with white double thread. Finally, cut off excess felt along the edge. Ready head, place here, and just like before, draw the place where Velcro touches the base page. Then place Velcro with the hook side here and sew it on. The last element place on the right and sew it on. Llama page is ready. To make the next page, click the video on the end screen. Thank you very much for watching, happy crafting and see you in the next video. Bye bye!